So how do you download this sheet? Well, a normal sheet, you would be able to go to File, make a copy, you can download it. But this sheet in particular, I am sharing with anyone with the link viewer, and I've taken away the ability for anyone who can download, copy, and print. That's if they're a viewer, if they're a commenter, or even if they're an editor, they cannot download and copy and print this. I'll show you that if I switch to another account, you can see we're in view only. And over here in File, I cannot download this sheet. And it says copying and pasting content outside this file has been disabled. But there is a way. If we add preview to the URL, we can even see this in an incognito window. I'm not logged in at all in an incognito window. And we've just added at the end of the URL, taken everything away and put in preview. Now in preview, I can right click, save, and now I can save this HTML file as a web page. And now I can open this offline. This is just a file on my drive that has all of the data in my Google Sheet that I wasn't able to download before. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.